All right guys, so we're about to pull in this 2023 Chevrolet C8 Z06. So it's one of the first ones here in Houston, and it came to us for complete protection. We're gonna do everything from ceramic coating, paint corrections, paint protection film, even windshield protection to help protect that glass as well. So we're gonna take you through the process, show you each step of what it is that we do to help really dial in your paint from the factory and also protect it moving forward so that you can enjoy any vehicle for years and years without any kind of worries about contamination, debris, scratches, rock chips, anything like that. And you can just get out there and enjoy the vehicle. We just finished up this 2023 Chevrolet C8 Z06 by giving it our full front paint protection film. We also added other areas of protection to include the doors, as well as the rocker panels along the bottom to help protect against rock chips, scratches, debris from the road, all those things that are gonna bounce up as you're driving spirited or just along any highway. So that paint protection film is going to protect the vehicle's paint from any kind of rock chips, big scratches, hard impact damage, things that would fly up from the road and impact that and damage the paint on this car. You're really gonna want that if those kinds of damages are important to you and you wanna really prevent it and kind of keep your car looking as fresh as possible. The other types of protection that we did on this vehicle are the windshield protection. So we installed the full ExoShield windshield protection. That's going to protect the windshield and that glass from that hard impact protection. We've all been driving and heard that big thud on the windshield, and you look over and you see that immediate star and it starts to crack. ExoShield is specifically designed to go on glass, only on glass, and actually prevent those types of impacts and those types of rock chips on your windshield. Lastly, we included our gold ceramic coating package along with our wheel and caliper ceramic coating package. So with these packages, they came with a full paint correction, which is going to go through and give this really nice, unique, vibrant paint a deep clean. So it's going to go through, clean out the pores, remove any kind of swirls, scratching, marring that may be left over from the manufacturing process or the factory transport or even the dealership kind of getting it make ready once it arrives. We're going to go through, it's going to clean that out. You're going to get the best results and the best looking paint from that process. And then we lock in those results with a 5-year Fine Lab Ultra ceramic coating. We also then remove the wheels. We clean the barrel of the wheels. We clean the face of the wheels, steam clean the brake system, make sure that your entire brake and caliper system, as well as the wheel inside and out, is completely and thoroughly clean. And then we're going to add a Fine Lab ceramic coating on those as well to help prevent against, the brake dust accumulation, dirt, debris. Obviously those are the closest things to the ground on the cars. Want to make sure that those are easy to clean and easy to maintain so they can stay scratch free and look really good as well. As you can see, we did a variety of different protection options on this vehicle. We also added ceramic window tint. While driving it, as fun as it is, the passengers and the driver are actually cool and comfortable as well. So as well as giving them some privacy. Also, another unique thing we did on this one, as you can see, with the interior being that 70th anniversary kind of white leather and Alcantara combination, and we actually installed a leather and a textile coating for the interior as well. So that's going to give that white fabric protection a lot of good first line of defense against stains, dirt, debris, things like that. Ironically, when this customer brought the car to us, it had been straight from the dealership and unfortunately mechanic handprints all over the interior that's on this white Alcantara, and they were just dirty hands that had grease and debris and everything else. So it took us a little bit of time to actually go through, even on a brand new car, and clean up all these little things. And so a lot of times that's why we tell a customer, especially with this level of a car, just don't even have your dealership detail it. Don't have them do anything. Do the PDI and immediately bring it to us. Don't let them wash it. Don't let them prep it. Don't let them do anything. A lot of times they're going to end up doing more harm than good. So if you're looking for the best type of protection and most comprehensive, bring it to us. We'll do a consultation, figure out exactly what it is you're looking for and what packages we have that can achieve those results.